Another system is percentages. So in this class, if you see 5%, that means 5 grams of drug in 100 milliliters of solution. So this is a lot of information that we can really express by just saying 5%. And then again, in the opposite direction, if you have 16.2 grams of drug in 100 milliliters of solution, you can either say it like this, or you can just say 16.2%, and that means the same thing as all of that. So number 4 says express as a percent 7 grams of drug in 100 milliliters of solution. That's just 7%. 100 milliliters of solution contains 5.6 grams of drug. They're trying to trick us by switching up the order, but it's just going to be 5.6%. And then number 6, 12 grams of drug in 100 milliliters of solution is going to be 12%.